How to scan QR code in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut in your laptop or PC. Then after go to project section. Choose the option of phone. After that, the CapCut will provide you a QR code. Using the camera in your mobile device, simply scan that. If you are not able to find the scan option, go to your mobile device, click on your profile icon and choose the option of scan from there. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to scan QR code in CapCut, and using that, you will be able to transfer your files or even log in a new device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.